Start recording. Okay, so in this video, we will make a change in workstation WebImpetus installation and a cosmetic change. Let's have a look what we want to change. So we want to go in this system, and in the user sections, let's say we want to change some of the screen titles because they are not complete. So set user roles and permissions. That's what we will change. Okay, so let's start. So first we will check out the main branch, because this must be the main branch. And now we will do git pull. Any changes done by other developers needs to be, and git fetch as well, just to be sure. And after that, we will create a new branch. And the new branch, we will say UI, changes done in the UI. And we would call it user
dash label.
User label. Yeah. Clear messaging. Clear messages, yeah, or clear. Or UX, user experience improved, enhanced. Okay. We can just say UX enhancements because user experience is what we are trying to improve. Let's open this in Visual Studio Code. And here we should have now this open in that branch automatically. So we will find wherever this message is used in this file, it's already found globally. And we will replace this message with user roles and module permissions. Actually, we can even just call permissions, because permissions could be anything to do with modules or access, anything. So we click here and this will replace that, and we can just close this now, say well, and okay, I can do, this is my other file which has nothing to do with this change, so we can ignore that for now. Get status, and we need to add this in the CI4 app views users, this file only. Yeah, we will just add and git commit, and the change message will be the user roles and permissions label corrected, and we will do git push into this branch. Okay, it's suggesting we should do this, which is fine. We can just do that. GitHub is pretty good. It's suggesting us to do that. So now this branch has my changes, and they are pushed to GitHub. And let's go to now our GitHub. And here we will get the message that there are some new changes in the code. We can merge into the main branch. So let's do that. And the message is clear already. We don't need to do anything. It will check for any security breaches, any password or keys, if they are exposed in the code or not. And there's nothing, so we can just merge. So as soon as we merge the code, the pipeline will start to auto deploy the code on our Kubernetes environment. So here we will have the message. So the version number here was last released on 15th of November. And that will change once the deployment is finished. So let's check that. It's building the image, Docker image. And after that, it will be deploying on our Kubernetes cluster. Okay, deployment is finished. Now we can verify the deployment if it has worked or not by going into our cluster. And the cluster will be K3S. It deploys on Amazon as well as the there's another server. We have two clusters. So let's check the other one. The pod has been restarted. Okay, so this is responding, but this is not reloaded. And let's see if we refresh this page. So that has been deployed, and as you can see, the message had changed there automatically. So that was the purpose of this video, and thank you for paying attention.
Thank you. Thanks, Blinder. I'll stop recording.